Hello everyone and welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the water filter on the GE side-by-side refrigerator. So you'll know you need to change your filter when this light turns orange. The first thing you want to do is buy a new filter. This I got on Amazon, and then you're going to remove the plastic film and then also remove this layer right here. When you remove that top film, it will look like this, and then you need to open your fridge and find this in the back corner. You're just going to turn it to the left and then pull it straight down. And then it'll be heavy when you pull it out because it is filled with water. I also like to write the date on mine when I put it in so I know when the last time I changed it was. I think they recommend every 6 months. Next, you want to take your new filter and straight up, you want to make it so your little drop aligns with that arrow, and then you just push up and twist, and you'll hear it flush the water down in there. And then it'll just be in there tight. To reset this here, you will hold it in for 3 seconds. And then the light goes off. And then you want to run your filter to get all those air bubbles out. And then I like to do maybe 3 or 4 cups once the air bubbles start. Once the water's running smoothly and it's no longer popping full of air, I do 2 or 3 more cups just to make sure that the water is clear and not milky, to make sure any residue from the old filter is out. And that is how to change the water filter in your GE side-by-side freezer refrigerator. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'd be happy to help, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.